I have a thing. I am so excited. This is iridescent medium. What is it? How does it work? We don't know, but we saw it and we were like, oh my God, yes, absolutely, immediately. Let's see, as one does, I've changed my mind already within 30 seconds. I was originally thinking, I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna use this on this because I don't like this anyways. But I'm looking at it and maybe I don't hate it. Why did I not like it? Why was I mad at it? Who can say? So, oh man, dang it, double dang. I really wanted to use this, but I don't want to do it on this now that I like it. I haven't liked anything that I've made, probably in like 2 months, other than the little chicken doodles because they are a delight. Like, they're not good artistic wise, but they give me great joy because they're so stupid and cute. But now I have a conundrum. I was gonna put some stuff here. I think it's the water that was making me mad, which I could fix, or I could cover it. Okay, did it. no. Think about your life. Think about your life. Freaking jerk. What a freaking jerk.